What's up, guys? In this lecture, we're going to talk about the basics of using an LCD screen and the built-in liquid crystal library. The HD 44780 compatible LCD screen is one of the most common for text-based LCDs, and it's the one we're going to use in this project. Now, the great thing about LCD screens is that it allows us to display information from the Arduino without needing to be connected to a computer, so we can make more of our projects mobile. We're going to wire it up in 4-bit mode, which means we only need to use 6 pins on the Arduino. This is the circuit we're going to be using. We're going to use a small trimmer potentiometer and connect it to pin 3. This controls the contrast of the LCD screen. Pins 15 and 16 control the backlight of the screen. Not all LCD screens are going to have this feature. Data lines 4 through 7 will be connected to pins 5 through 2, respectively. And the control pins RS and enable will be connected to pins 12 and 11. Now that we have our circuit connected, let's open an example and see how the liquid crystal library works. So here's the example. The way you get to it is go to File, Examples, Liquid Crystal, and Hello World. You can see in the comment section, they actually tell you how to wire the LCD to the Arduino. First thing we need to do is include the liquid crystal library using the hashtag include. Then we create an instance of the liquid crystal class called LCD, and we pass some initial arguments. The arguments are the pin locations of the RS pin, the enable pin, and the 4 data pins. In the setup function, we set the size of the LCD with LCD.begin. Most common LCDs are 16 by 2 characters, and if you're using a different size LCD, you need to change this accordingly. For me, I'm actually using a 20 by 4 LCD. The LCD class has a print method, which is used to print to the LCD screen. So we expect this line to print Hello World. In the loop function, we use another method called setCursor to change the position of the cursor on the LCD screen. Since the counter starts at 0, this sets the cursor to the first column and the second row. Then we print out the number of seconds since the program began using the mealy's function. Let's upload the sketch and see what we get. If you don't see any text, you may need to change the contrast on your LCD screen using a potentiometer. Now you should see Hello World and a counter that increments every second. And that's it, guys. That's how you use an LCD screen with the Arduino. Quick, simple, and easy to use.